Hello and welcome to TaxTron web tutorial video series. Today, we are delving into Quebec child care expenses and how to claim them using TaxTron web platform. What is child care expense? Child care expenses refer to the costs incurred by parents or guardians for childcare services in Quebec. These expenses are eligible for tax deductions or credits when filing income taxes in Quebec. Eligible childcare expenses typically include fees paid to daycare centers, day camps, boarding schools, and other supervised care facilities for children under the age of 16. The tax credit rate is based on your family income. Let's now dive into claiming this credit using TaxTron web platform. First, log into TaxTron web platform. Navigate to the T1 Client section, open an existing client, and select New Return. Ensure that the province of return is set to Quebec and choose the appropriate tax year. Then select Create. Complete the Personal Information section accurately, including marital status, gender for Quebec province, and prescription drug insurance details, and click Next. In left navigation bar, select the Dependent tab. Then, answer Yes to the question, do you have children or financially support another person, and click Next. Fill in your child's information including their name, date of birth, and social insurance number. Then proceed to the Child Care Information page. Answer Yes to the question, did you pay child care, and click Next. On the Child Care Expenses page, select your dependent's name. Report details such as to whom you paid the expenses, your child's social insurance number, the number of weeks your child spent in a daycare center, and the total amount you paid for child care expenses. Since there's no spouse in this scenario, scroll down to answer questions regarding the situations in which child care expenses were incurred. For this video demonstration, I am selecting the Self option for carrying out the duties of an office or employment. Next, navigate to the Income section from the left navigation bar and respond to the question, did you work in 2023? Proceed by selecting the tile labeled T4 and RL1. Fill in all the necessary details in the T4 slips, ensuring you provide all required entries. When prompted, confirm receipt of a Quebec Relève 1 for this employment income. Typically, if you worked in Quebec, you should receive this form. Once confirmed, you'll notice automatic data entries populating, with the only manual entry required in box E. Within TaxTron's web platform, you have two methods to verify the amount of tax credit for childcare expenses. Firstly, navigate to the top left-hand side of the screen and access the Quebec Return Summary. Here, within the Refund or Balance Due section, you'll find a specific line item labeled Childcare Credit displaying the amount eligible for deduction. Alternatively, for a more detailed calculation breakdown, download the MRQ record-keeping copy. Within this PDF, locate the Child Care Expenses form or Schedule C. The first page has all your child care expenses. Navigate to Part D titled Tax Credit for Childcare Expenses to find a comprehensive breakdown detailing the precise amount attributed as a tax credit for the child care expenses. That's our overview of child care expenses credit. For more helpful tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you.